Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about these lipsticks. These are L18 Colourpop matte lipsticks, which are like very popular nowadays. I somehow got hands on two of these because I could not find it anywhere. They were all out of stock. Like literally there was a loot. Online it is very expensive. Like it retails for 100 rupees, but online it is like 70 rupees delivery charges, 90 rupees delivery charges, which makes it almost 200 rupees, which is like insane. I'm not gonna pay 100 bucks extra for 100 rupees lipstick just for the delivery charges. So I waited and finally I got two of these. I shared hand swatches of these lipsticks on Instagram, and if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram handle is nidhi.167. Go right away and follow me there. In today's video I will be doing a wear test as well for these lipsticks, so that you guys get an exact idea of how long they stay on your lips, the longevity of these lipsticks, and how they turn out to be at the end of the day, rather than me just talking about it. So yeah, I really like the packaging of it. These are like the normal L18 packaging, which is like black in color, and L18 is written right there, and the packaging is quite sturdy. It won't open up just like that, so you have to actually pull it out. And the lipstick bullet is way inside the tube, as you can see, and when you pull it out you actually get a click sound. I don't know if you guys can make it out. So yeah, that's the sound it makes, and yeah, this is how it looks like. You get 4.3 grams of product for just 100 rupees, which is very affordable. I got two colors. The first one is this one, which is in the shade Grape Riot, and this is how it looks like. And the other one is my favorite, and it is the Selfie Red, which is an amazing gorgeous red. I even used it in one of my makeup tutorials recently, so if you guys want to see how it looks with all the makeup and jazz, you can just go and check that video right here. Just click right here, you can check that video as well. So these lipsticks are actually matte lipsticks, but I have been wearing it for a while now, and I can totally say that these are not matte. They are creamy, or you can say creamy matte, but it's more towards the creamy side rather than being towards the creamy matte side. So these are very creamy, very moisturizing. I really like the fact that the bullet has an angled cut, because it really makes the application very easy. So really love that as well. I'll do a lip swatch right here so that you guys can get an idea of these two colors at least. If I get hands on other colors, I'll share that on Instagram and Instagram stories, so you guys can go and check that out there. So for now, let's just move on with these two colors. Those were the lip swatches, and I will be wearing my Selfie Red throughout the day so that we can see how long it stays on the lips. Currently it's 10:06, if you can see that, and I'll just check in another 2 hours how this lipstick stays on my lips, and yeah, we'll see after that. So it is currently 12:15. I am shooting this footage from my mobile phone, so I cannot show you guys the exact time. We just come to pick my son, so yeah, just wanted to give you an update. The color on my lips has actually faded away a bit, but it did not crease, or it did not even fill in my fine lines or bleed from any places. Like it did not bleed from any of these places, and the color however is a bit lighter as compared to the time that I have applied it, but however so far it is looking good on my lips. I'm happy with it. Like it's almost 2 hours and 15 minutes gone, and it is quite good on my lips, though I have not eaten anything in this time period. I just drank water, that too from the bottle directly, so no ways of transferring the lip color on the bottle or on the glass. And all, so there has been no touch up so far. So far so good. I'll give you an update in another 2 hours maybe. So just to give you an update, it's 3 o'clock, like it's going to be 3. I have had my lunch and the lipstick is completely gone. There's just this stain that is remaining, and yeah, that's how it looks. It has stained my lips, and I'm going to just stop here now. It was there like when at 1 o'clock it was a bit of the color was there, but once I had my lunch it is completely gone. But the good thing is that it has stained the lips really nicely, so thumbs up to that. Let's talk about the lipsticks now. They are really creamy. They have a bit of shine to them. Like if you can see, they have a bit of shine. They're not completely matte or not even creamy matte. They are creamy with a bit of sheen to it. So yeah, they really glides amazingly on your lips, like superbly, as you have seen in the swatches as well. They just glide like a dream. They're beautifully, the application is really beautiful, and it gives an opaque finish just in the first swipe. That is also really amazing. It doesn't crease, it doesn't bleed. So they, all in all, for 100 rupees you are getting an amazing product, which is from L18, which is an amazing brand, and the lipstick has so many plus points. The only thing is that it says it's a matte lipstick, but it isn't a matte lipstick, and it is very much transferable. The finish is amazing, the colors are amazing. The L18 came out with 20 colors. Like, can you beat that? 20 colors. There's gonna be a shade that you will love. I really like it. From my side, it's a big thumbs up. For the price point, it's like yay. And for the finish that you can see already, it just applies so beautifully. I just can't tell you. Yeah, that was all for the L18 Colourpop matte lipstick. I hope you got all your answers in this video, and if you do not, like if you have still any questions regarding these lipsticks, to mention in the description box down below, and I would really love to answer them. Hope this video was really helpful. If it was, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.